Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a must-have for your bathroom or kitchen. The Home Queen White Water-Resistant Bathroom Window Curtain.
If you're looking for the best waterproof shower window curtain on the market, you're in the right place.
Let's get into why this curtain is making waves.
First off, this curtain isn't just about looks, it's built tough. Made from durable waffle weave textured fabric, it's not only water-resistant but also dust-proof and wrinkle-proof. This means it's perfect for the bathroom where moisture can be a concern.
The dimensions are spot-on for most small windows, measuring 28 inches wide by 45 inches long per panel.
It fits standard curtain rods up to 1.2 inches in diameter, making installation a breeze.
Now, versatility is key.
Beyond the bathroom, these curtains are a stylish addition to any kitchen or even a cozy cafe setting.
The waffle weave design adds a touch of elegance without sacrificing privacy or natural light. And here's the best part, maintenance is a breeze. They're machine washable with a mild detergent and can handle temperatures up to 86 degrees Fahrenheit. No bleaching needed, and a low temperature ironing keeps them looking crisp.
So, whether you're revamping your bathroom decor or looking to add a touch of style to your kitchen, the Home Queen White Water-Resistant Bathroom Window Curtain is a solid choice. With its blend of functionality, style, and ease of care, it's clear why it's a favorite among many homeowners. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this review helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more in-depth product reviews like this one. Drop your comments below if you have any questions or want to see us review another product. Until next time, stay tuned to Product Critique for all your consumer insights.